It is far better to be alone than to be in bad company. The strongest man in the world is he who stands most alone. The time you feel lonely is the time you most need to be by yourself. If you make friends with yourself, you will never be alone. You cannot be lonely if you like the person you are alone with. I have so many different personalities in me and I still feel lonely. If you are going to put yourself above everybody else, you might end up alone. What we have done for ourselves alone dies with us. What we have done for others and the world remains and is immortal. We are all born alone and die alone. The loneliness is definitely part of the journey of life. Walking with a friend in the dark is better than walking alone in the light. Success comes when people act together. Failure tends to happen alone. I am learning a lot about myself being alone and doing what I am doing.